Hey my loves. It's been a while. Okay, this is a quick little video, you guys. So if you guys don't know, I haven't been on here in a while, but I do have Black Friday that is going live. That is live right now, actually, not going live. But I'm gonna show you some of the new things I got, you guys. Okay, so the first thing I have is monomer. So I have sizes. I have multiple sizes, you guys. I have 2, 4, 8, and 16 ounces. Um, so there's a sale on my website and on Etsy. Etsy and my website is a little different with the pricing for discounts, you guys. So you can choose either one. Etsy is a flat 40% off, and if you have a coupon from one of my ambassadors, you could use that coupon as well. Also on my website, it's a little different. Pretty much everything is priced differently, and you also can use ambassador's discount code as well to save even more money with that. But okay, so let me get into everything else I have. I have these beautiful cuticle oils, you guys. So they come in 2 sizes. Size half an ounce, which is 15 milliliters, and 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters. As you can see, they're super cute. This is the small one, this is the big one. I wanted them to match, but they had no more of these in stock. Like, I couldn't find them nowhere. And this one, you can see it has gold on it. I did that myself. Ooh, it took forever. But yeah, so there's 5 scents. There's unscented. There's unscented with rose petals. So the rose petals might give off a rosy smell, kind of. I don't know. Has strawberry, unscented, blueberry muffin, and passion fruit nectarine. Yeah. Okay. So let's get into my acrylics. I'm missing one, you guys. I don't know what happened to it, but I'll put a picture in here of what it looks like, you guys. So the first one I have, let me see if I turn this light on. It kind of helps, but not really. But this is a really, 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 really dark purple. This one is called Midnight Run. If I got it wrong, I'll put it in there. This one is Golden Rose. As you can see, it's a rose gold glitter. It's very, very pretty. Very pretty fine glitter. You guys are gonna love this one. People like that one already. You just got a pure white, super, super white. You have this pretty gray that is called Sweater Weather. Super pretty. I did a video of me swatching these, and half of the video is like gone, so I don't know if I'll upload it or not. And this is gunmetal. It's a darker gray. So I put them together. The camera, it kind of tells them apart, but not really. You can see it more in person, but you see this one's darker than this one. This one is something I messed up on, and I kind of like it. So I don't know if you can see. It's like an off-white. Not off-white, but not even milky. And it has like blue little flakes in it. Okay, so that purple one is Midnight Edge. My phone's telling me I have a lot of recording time left, and I think that's kind of weird. So this one right here, as I was trying to say, is super, super pretty. It's like it has a little white in it, and it has some whitish blue mylar flakes. You probably won't be able to tell just looking at it, but they are there. They really are. Okay, so this one's called Icy Morning. I just got the name. The blue's not showing up because it's like shining off on the light for some reason. And we have this one. It got a little dirty. This one is Rose Dust. Super, super pretty. I think it pairs good with this right here. They pair very good together. Okay, so we have clear Clear is clear. You see how clear it is, if we can see. Little to no bubbles. Little to no bubbles at all. You guys can see. Okay, here is milk chocolate. Yum. Super, super good. It looks so good. Milk chocolate. This one is caramel. It's super pretty. It kind of matches my skin tone. I love it a lot. Okay, and then we have the last one. Ooh, this is from last year's collection. I decided to bring it back. It's super pretty. Like, it's doing no justice. There's like greens and yellows in here and oranges. You guys can't really see it, but yeah, super pretty. Icy Wonderland. All right, so I had to free some time. So I have a Samsung phone, and my stuff gets sent straight to the trash. And I guess when it's sent to the trash, it's still taking up all your space. So I have to do that real quick. Okay, so I got this right here. If you guys don't know, these are Christmas charms, Kiwi charms. You can use them on your nails or whatever you want. They're super cute. I really like this one right here. I really like that. That's super cute, you guys. It's available on my website. These are limited stock, so there's a few on my website and Etsy. So check them out, you guys. These are very, very pretty. Oh, and I think these pair. Oh, like this one has the same stuff that's happening with this blue one, but you can't tell. But it has the same green and orange reflective thing going on. Okay, so we got that right there, and I gotta take out this big ass box. Got the other stuff in it. So yeah, I'm not taking this glitter out right here because this is an order, but I'll put the picture up. That's some pretty glitter. That's a single thing of glitter you can buy that yourself, you guys. So just a heads up. Let's take out the other stuff. Okay, so we got some foils for you guys. We got this, the plaid, super cute. I have these. These are Christmas. They look like wrapping foil, gift wrap, you know. I have this one as well. This is clear with different color snowflakes. Super cute. I wish I had time to take everyone out, but that's kind of tedious, you guys. So, yeah. And this one right here, this one's super cute. I like this one a lot because all the blues in it. There's not a lot of these left, so if you want one, you should, like, get on it. Especially the plaid ones. There's like 4 left, maybe. But yeah, these are cute, too. I might keep this one to myself on the side. And then this one right here, there's a whole lot of these, you guys. So if you want some, come get them. This is pretty big. This one is actually 150, the roll size. I will correct that on the website if it says 100. It is 150 and it's the same price. I always make the same price as the other ones because I made this one myself. I cut everything and rolled it up and all that good stuff. Okay, so we got the glitters, you guys. Glitters, snowflakes. So we got white. I'll put the names of them because this is one of the ones I made. Pre-mix. It's like for New Year's. It's gold and black. This is regular. This is iridescent pink. It's not really coming off in the camera. Let me see if I turn it off. You can kind of see it. I think the camera's like showing off too much. I don't know. I'll get the camera on. Ooh, and this one right here. This one's super pretty, you guys. I made this one myself too. Look at that. I will put a I'm gonna hopefully try to put a little video in the corner of me like doing this with my hands because you guys can see what it looks like. You got this right here. It's super pretty, you guys. This is like a this one's called hot fudge brownie or something like that. This is an open one. This one's pre-mixed. Okay. Get this stuff out. I'll think about making all this Christmas stuff like a bundle and with the monomer. Let me know in the comment section. I know it's kind of late to be doing it, but hey, I don't know. I already have it set up, but I never put it on my website because I wasn't sure if anybody would like buy it, and I don't want to put stuff to the side where that could be for somebody else that needs it. But yeah. So we got this dark blue. It's super, super pretty. I think I am going to turn the light off. Hold on. Someone's hit me up on Instagram. Okay. I think I always lighten up the video. Ain't that pretty? Just look at that. That's super pretty, you guys. Oh, and I got this stuff blocking the light. This is all me talking right now. Probably do my little tweaks of uploading this and then put it right out today. So I'm moving, so I gotta get this over with. Okay, so this is a pretty blue. All these big snowflakes are iridescent, or holographic, we won't call it. This one is super pretty. I might do the light on for this one. Yeah, you can see the blue now, right? Super pretty. When you see it, you think it's like just white, but it's actually blue with some hints of purple and pink. It just depends on what light you're using and stuff like that. So here's the red. Red's very flashy and bold. Here's the rose gold. Super, super pretty. This is like a bluish green type of glitter. Snowflake glitter. Super pretty. It's smaller than the other ones. Here's the green. Here's the holographic one. Super pretty. Okay, I love this one. I especially love this glitter. This is I think Jingle All the Way or a Christmas Tree or something like that. I don't know, but super pretty. And you got this one. This is like iridescent blue snowflakes with a little white and gold and red glitter inside. And there is a little bit of pink snowflakes in there too, like light pink. You can't really tell. Oh, this one, I love this one too. This is a really good mix. You guys could also use these. I have clear acrylic also. Or you can use your own, whatever you want to do. Oh, my battery is low. But yes, whatever you want to do, you guys. This is super pretty. There is some pink, blue, white. It's overall pretty color of glitter. I made that glitter myself. This is silver, just plain old silver. It's another mix I made. It's a blue mix with white, purple, and blue. Big snowflakes inside. Blue and purple glitter. And here is these small ones, just like the bluish green. These are like pinkish purple, purplish pink. Holographic, as you can see. Very pretty. All right, we're getting down to the last of them. Oh, one more. This one. This is the pink one I was telling you guys about. There's like pink and hints of green in there. Let me turn it off. Yeah, see, when I turn the light on, it just brings out whole different colors that I didn't see before. So it's like, when you see it on the website, it's going to look a little different. It's really hard to pick up the colors that is really meant for that. It's really, really hard. And then try to edit in everything. But right here, I got some stars. Super pretty. They fit any size nail, so it's not too big, not too small. I got these Christmas flakes, snowflakes. Super cute. I have this one. This is colorful. We have this one right here. This is colorful too. You see my hand, so you can see how big the stars are, the snowflakes. And then you have this one right here. White snowflakes. Okay, these are the ones I made myself, you guys. So, we have some for small. We have small, medium, and then large. Yeah, I'm not taking them out so you guys could, but yeah, you get my drift. Okay, so we got small again, medium, and large. So I have stuff for people who want big nails, their natural nails, good to go. So So you got small with this design, medium, and you have large. Super, super pretty. Oh, I got another color. Gold. The big snowflakes of gold. And yeah, that is it, you guys. Yeah, that's exactly it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, that's like all the new stuff I added to the store recently, I believe. Yeah. I got more stuff coming soon, you guys, so keep a lookout. Keep a lookout and keep your fingers crossed that everything works out. But I will talk to you guys in another video. It was nice spending time with you guys. Yeah, and I'll see you later. Bye.